Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you skin whitening and fair, spotless and glowing skin universal magical remedy, and it works for all skin types. It whiten and lighten the skin tone naturally, and it will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin from first use, and you'll see the dramatic results in the video. So the first ingredient we'll need, my friends, is 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and we need to put it into a clean mixing bowl. And then, my friends, we'll need to take it and place it underneath double boiler method until it will melt, and put it aside until it melts completely. And now we need to prepare the rest of the remedy. In a clean mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of rose water, and then add to this 1 teaspoon of milk powder, unsweetened milk powder, and mix them together. And now, my friends, the underneath double boiler method Vaseline is got melt completely. We need to remove it. Now mix these 2 ingredients together. And then add to this 1/2 lemon juice, and you can add lime or lemon juice. You need actually to use the fresh lemon juice because that will help enlighten and whiten the skin tone, as it contains high amount of vitamin C. Mix these ingredients well together. Once the ingredients got very well mixed and combined and we got this cream, apply it on your skin like so, my friends. You can apply it on your hands, on feet, on face, on any body part that you want to lighten, and keep massaging the skin with it like so. And massage the skin and the dark spots and the dark patches with this remedy, as it lighten and whiten the skin tone naturally. It's one of the best skin whitening in the world ever. It works like magic from the first use. I promise you, you will see a result. And if you keep using this on a regular basis, you'll lighten the skin tone permanently and naturally. I really suggest you try this magical remedy. After applying the remedy, my friends, leave it to dry out completely, and then wash it with lukewarm water, and then wash it with cold water to close the pores. And the result will shock you, because you will see result from the first use. As you can tell, my right hand is still dark and my left hand is got brighter and whiter in color. It's fairer and milky. The result is permanent. It's not gonna go away. You will try it yourself and see the result. So I hope the video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies like that. And I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.